Hi everyone and welcome back to Craft Time After Rhyme Time. My name is Miss Choate and today we're focusing, do you remember the letter? Miss Nucha told you, the letter W, and we are going to be making a whale. Now, I've done a whale drawing video before, so we're going to be doing something kind of similar to that, but we're going to be grabbing a straw. Can you guess what we're going to use that straw for? We're going to be making the blowhole have water shooting out of it. So we're going to take a straw and some watercolor paint or some liquidy acrylic paint, whatever you have around the house, and we're going to be putting it right at the blowhole and then using the straw and blowing that paint everywhere like it's coming out of the blowhole of our whale. So we'll start by drawing it, coloring it in however you like, and then doing our fun whale's blowhole with our paint. So go grab anything you want to color with and then some kind of liquidy paint, either a watercolor or an acrylic that you've added water to, or if you don't have any of those things, take a marker, put it on a plastic lid, draw on it, add some water to that, and you can use that as your watercolor paint. So go grab your supplies and let's get started. For our whale, we want to make sure we put it at the bottom because we want to have room for our blowhole. So we're going to be starting with pencil and then you're going to go over it in marker and then you'll color it in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be making an arch. You can make your arch bigger or smaller. It depends how big you want your whale to be. Then we're going to curve up. This is where we're coming to the fin. And we're going to make a kind of loose W or kind of like that bird shape we make in the sky sometimes. And then curves in. Remember, it's okay if you make a mistake, you can always erase it. And we're going to come over here and we're going to do our mouth. Just a little line coming in, a little line going out for the V. And we're going to curve for the belly. The belly is going to come all the way down here and then curve up towards the tail. So there is most of our whale. I'm going to add a little line here because our belly is a different color than the rest of our whale. And we're just going to add little stripes in for the belly of our whale. And these are going at a diagonal and they're staying pretty parallel to each other. And now we want to make our eye nice, circle, and don't forget the circle for the blowhole. This is where we're going to have fun with that water coming out. And lastly, our fin, which is kind of like a triangle shape. Once you're happy with the shape of your whale, we can go ahead and outline it in a blue marker or black marker, whatever you prefer. And you can always erase your pencil lines that you don't like. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and color him in, and then we're going to add our fun blowhole paint. So once you have your whale colored in, grab some water and your watercolors, or if you have acrylic, water down your acrylic. So I'm just going ahead, I'm going to my blue, and I'm dipping it into my water till I get a color that I like. And then I'm going to put a dot of water right here by the blowhole. I have my straw, and I'm going to blow the paint in any direction that I want the water to be splashing. So I'm putting a big dollop of water right there, and now I'm going to blow it. Once you're out of water, do that again, and you can do this as many times as you want, but make sure that all the water is coming from right there at that blowhole spot. You can also change up the color. If you want to make your water a little bit lighter or darker, I'm going to add a little bit of white to my paint, making a slightly different color. And doing it again. There we go. I think I'm happy with the water out of the blowhole. I think that looks so cute. So I hope you had fun making your whale and then really went crazy with the straw and the blowing of the paint all over the page. I think mine looks so cute. You can even do lots of colors. Why didn't I think about that before I finished? I could have done yellow and pink and purple and just had it like a rainbow explosion out of the whale's blowhole. That would have been so cool. So I want to see what you guys did. Remember, if you like what you did, post it on any social media platform and tag Choate Studio in it. I'd love to see what you made. And put in the comments below, is there any other animal you'd like to see? And if there is, then just tell the Winfield Public Library what you'd like, or you can let me know on my page, Choate Studio or Art with Miss Choate, and I do videos on there every Wednesday and Friday. So remember, if there's anything you want to see, or what about the next letter? What letter is next? What should I do? Let me know if there's an animal or something specific you think about, and I'd love to know. So remember, subscribe to the Winfield Public Library so you get notified every time they post a new awesome video. And I'm assuming if you made it all the way to the end, you already are subscribed, but let somebody else know because there are so many fun things happening in summer reading. I can't wait, I can't tell you. So go ahead, subscribe so you can find out what happens in summer reading is coming up. All right, bye friends.